Yep.
No more time left to be here. Would you cherish what we have? Was I everything that you were looking for? If I couldn't feel your touch, and no longer were you with me, I've been wishing you were here to be everything that I've been looking for. I don't wanna forget the present because I don't wanna take for granted the times that you made of you with me. 'Cause Lord only knows another day you don't really guarantee. So every time you hold me like this is the last time. Every time you kiss me, feel like you'll never see me again. Every time you touch me like this is the last time. Promise that you'll love me like you'll never see me again. Stop it!